With nearly 1 million infections and 50,000 deaths globally, COVID-19 is indeed vicious. Hundreds of millions of people all over the world are practically living in a nightmare, in enforced lockdowns, isolations, and curfews. But there are some who are even more scared. The 25 million odd people who have either lost job as a direct result of infamous coronavirus or fear losing it in coming weeks. In United States alone, 3.5 million people have filed for unemployment, and the number may soon reach up to 14 million. In comparison, 13 million workers lost livelihood at the peak of Great Depression in 1930s. Globally, over 35 million people may slide from middle class to poor class in the next few months. But it's the third world countries that would get the biggest hit. IMF recently told the media that amid the pandemic, nearly 80 countries have approached the Global Fund for financial assistance. Pakistan's Prime Minister Imran Khan urged the international community to consider waiving off poor countries' loans as they face unprecedented financial burden due to health emergency situation. Industries like tourism, aviation, hospitality, and lifestyle are hit the most, with hundreds of big brands laying off their employees and closing operations. Tens of mega projects, especially those linked with China's Obor, aka Silk Road, are postponed or abandoned. From the health perspective, governments now know what they need to do: enforce social distancing, build more ventilators, and meanwhile develop the vaccine. Hopefully 99.9% people will come out of the crisis unharmed and healthy, but with the global economic activities going into slump, and experts predicting up to 1.5% reduction in the global GDP growth, the solution to global economic problem may not be straightforward. Even for economic wizards and pundits, COVID-19 is no more a mere health crisis, but it is a serious financial crisis of unprecedented proportions. We must unite to face the economic burden put on our shoulders. In our next video, we intend to cover specific ways coronavirus may impact lives of third world countries and individuals living within.